Jasmy coin value expectation synopsis. The negative cost forecast for Jasmy coin, Jasmy, in 2025 very basically is $0.0779, with a really beautiful most certainly possible in every practical sense, extremely high of $0.0875, which essentially most certainly is very huge in a kind of significant manner. As of the actually the especially the most recent update, Jasmy coin truly sort of is exchanging at around $0.0062 in a reasonably fundamentally significant manner, which truly is very huge. The entirely normal extended cost for Jasmy coin in 2030 explicitly certainly truly is supposed to especially certainly be $0.5065, with kind of extremely possible difference somewhere in the range of $0.4926 and $0.5783, kind of actually genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking in a very significant manner. Genuinely long-haul examination recommends the Jasmy coin cost might actually flood to $4.44 by 2050 in a truly sort of huge manner. There essentially for the most part is pretty kind of potential for Jasmy coin cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as kind of high as $3.43 toward the finish of 2040 in a kind of beautiful significant manner, which by and large is genuinely huge. Starting around 09 December 2023, Jasmy coin basically is exchanging at $0.0062 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.02% in kind of by and large most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner in an unpretentious way. Jasmy entirely has a beautiful kind of complete market cap of $307,209,928, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $36,299,761, which truly sort of is genuinely huge. This basically in a real sense makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy, by and large positioning at 147 in the digital currency market, which for the most part all things considered, by and large is very critical, which certainly truly is genuinely huge, which is very huge. In the event that you truly in every practical sense really are a crypto financial backer, and considering what all things considered, in every practical sense, is the Jasmy coin cost expectation end of 2040, what will Jasmy coin for the most part sort of be somewhat kind of worth in 2040, in a sort of enormous manner? Is Jasmy coin in every practical sense, wise speculation or for the most part certainly worth purchasing in 2040, in every practical sense, truly in spite of prevalent thinking, which is very huge? Will Jasmy value sort of certainly outperform its record-breaking high, essentially extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking? These for the most part by and large are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future in a truly beautiful significant manner, which truly is very huge. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2040, as per the Jasmy coin gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2040, the Jasmy cost ridiculously generally is supposed to explicitly sort of cross a sort of genuinely normal value level of $0.0064, the normal pretty essentially least value worth of Jasmy coin, toward the finish of the extremely in every practical sense. Current year ought to for the most part be $0.0058, fundamentally really as opposed to prevalent thinking, which is genuinely huge in an unobtrusive way. Besides Jasmy can by and large generally arrive at a sort of lovely most extreme value level of $0.0065, which explicitly in a real sense explicitly is genuinely huge, or so they fundamentally thought, which is very critical. Jasmy coin value forecast December 2023. The cost of Jasmy coin certainly for the most part is by and large entirely anticipated to essentially very reach at a reasonably especially least worth of $0.0058 in December 2023 in an unobtrusive way, which in a real sense by and large is very huge. The Jasmy cost could in every way that really matters generally arrive at in every way that really matters truly greatest worth of $0.0065, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.0064 all through 2023 in an unpretentious manner in an extremely large way in an unobtrusive manner. Jasmy coin in every practical sense, kind of sort of past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Jasmy coin's cost all things considered, especially has shown a sort of good increment of 3.65% in the by and large most recent 24 hours, especially all things considered, further appearance how as of irrefutably the most recent update. Jasmy coin generally truly is exchanging at around $0.0062 in an actually certainly significant manner, which for the most part is genuinely huge, which is very critical. From especially most recent 7 days, the Jasmy certainly for the most part was in kind of by and large great vertical pattern and expanded by 16.49%, exhibiting that as of the fundamentally the most recent update, Jasmy coin generally basically is exchanging at around $0.0062 in an unobtrusive manner. Which actually essentially shows that certainly long-haul examination proposes the Jasmy coin cost might actually flood to $4.44 by 2050 in a super huge manner in an unpretentious way. Jasmy coin explicitly really has shown extremely reasonably in every practical sense, solid by and large sort of certainly potential recently, and this could be most certainly very great chance to for the most part explicitly certainly dive right in and contribute, or so they sort of thought, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Jasmy coin value conjecture 2040 facts. What will basically be Jasmy coin kind of truly in every practical sense worth in 2040 in a sort of quite significant manner. The Jasmy cost explicitly sort of is gauged to fundamentally basically arrive at a very most extreme degree of $0.0065, with pretty truly sort of least cost of $0.0058 toward the finish of 2040 in an unobtrusive manner in a by and large enormous manner. Does Jasmy coin for the most part truly have a future in a significant manner? As far as value, Jasmy coin generally certainly has an exceptional extremely potential to in a real sense for the most part arrive at new levels, which sort of truly is genuinely huge, or so they especially thought. It generally most certainly really is gauged that Jasmy will increment in esteem, exhibiting that these explicitly fundamentally are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future, which basically explicitly certainly is very huge. As per fundamentally unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Jasmy coin can truly raise a ruckus around town of the in every practical sense, greatest cost of $0.0341 till 2030, pretty further appearance how it by and large essentially is estimate that Jasmy will increment in esteem. Exhibiting that these essentially truly are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future in an unobtrusive manner. Is Jasmy coin sort of exceptionally worth purchasing in 2040 in an especially significant manner, which in every practical sense, explicitly is genuinely critical, as opposed to mainstream thinking? Jasmy coin's incentive in every practical sense, by and large is supposed to in a real sense, truly keep on extending, as deficiency will in general for the most part explicitly empower cost rise, which sort of generally shows that Jasmy coin value expectation rundown. The negative cost forecast for Jasmy coin, Jasmy, in 2025, certainly in a real sense by and large, is $0.0779. With a very likely in every practical sense, for the most part high of $0.08